Sweatshop coming through, so everybody move over. No sir, don't worry at all. We're gonna break the mold and shake the whole game, so surely they'll fall. So everybody move over. No sir, don't worry at all. We're gonna break the mold and shake the whole game, so surely they'll fall.
Don't you figure it's a little bit twisted, this bull that gets rotated? In most cases don't say, but we're still listening. And MCs, if you decide to push your views aside and choose to ride whatever's popular at the moment, then do it. I'll just make music that's dissonant. Because it's just the way you're thinking that'll keep our ship sinking, and it's keeping me living within this frequency imprisonment, disconnected as an infant from the infinite, and giving just a glimpse of what it is and what it isn't what we're living in.
Speech, tailor beats, sense the truth we speak. Bring the heat, failure creeps and inches we don't eat. We'll find an image to mimic to get off 15 minutes till sound scan drags down all our hopes to the limit. But why do I have to try to dumb down the sound in a compromise to try to turn sales around? If I speak my piece, will the interest cease? Well, at least CanCon will get me spun once a week. And if they're driven to spin it, we'll make change from within it. But if not, we'll get caught as bitter, washed up cement. Dim the lights, spot the hype, and we'll be alright. Singing right for the fight, and we can better this life.
Sweatshop coming through, so everybody move over. No sir, don't worry at all. We're gonna break the mold and shake the whole game, so surely they'll fall. So everybody move over. No sir, don't worry at all. We're gonna break the mold and shake the whole game, so surely they'll fall.
We wonder how to leave the underground with dignity intact. Be the rappers that we are today, we say, but even fatter. So we'll tour in tons of towns and bump the sound for kids that need the facts and fiend for rap with something to say, but in this industry it's backwards. Without radio play, your sales may be okay. Maybe you'll stay afloat, maybe plenty of tape. Maybe you'll drown, maybe turn the radio down. Now who's that? Sweatshop, we shaking your ground.
Well, the hand feed, everyone feel things. We believe it's fundamental to need funds. Sobering look at what we become. Over our heads a web up to see this fun. To the beat of a drum, we speak to the young and teach, never preach of false freedom. Redeem some rights, some wrongs, or write the songs, defeat the cons and industry pythons.
No matter what you say, you better watch the snakes. We're just a prey for anybody who loves the game. A trusted name could embrace the touch of fame. Don't worry, there's no shame. Cause no way it's okay to get jerked below pay. Have to serve and obey, it's all work and no play. But hope, pray you don't change or go make some old jiggy overplay. Really one take with no soul.
Sweatshop coming through, so everybody move over. No sir, don't worry at all. We're gonna break the mold and shake the whole game, so surely they'll fall. So everybody move over. No sir, don't worry at all. We're gonna break the mold and shake the whole game, so surely they'll fall. Shop coming through, so everybody move over. No sir, don't worry at all. We're gonna break the mold and shake the whole game, so surely they'll fall. So everybody move over. No sir, don't worry at all. We're gonna break the mold and shake the whole game, so surely they'll fall.
I should cry for help. Maybe I should